Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here with High Ticket to Freedom, and in today's video, I'm be giving you my full in-depth review for the Home Business Academy, as well as a full walkthrough on exactly what you're getting with this platform. So if you are on this video, probably means you're doing a bit of research on this platform and you're thinking about joining HBA, and in this video, I'm be giving you everything you need to know, as well as if at any point you want to see how to promote this program as an affiliate, and if you're interested in getting the 80% monthly recurring commissions, as in $120 per month for each customer that you refer. I also have a free training series that I put together on this channel that shows you exactly how to market this as an affiliate. So any point you could check this out down below. I'm going to leave a link to HBA as well as this training series. You could check this out anytime, and you could watch over the shoulder how I promote this, and there's multiple different traffic methods that I show right here. So that being said, we'll go ahead and we'll dive right in. So what exactly does HBA have to offer, when you, of course, get signed up? So there's only 3 products that HBA has. And the first thing that I will mention with this that I really like compared to a lot of other programs in this space is that a lot of other training platforms and affiliate marketing coaching programs are going to charge you thousands of dollars up front before you could even get in, and then oftentimes you never hear from the owner. There is all these other upsells you got to buy in the back end, and they just continue to bombard you with new launch after new launch, and they're changing up product prices and all that. And yeah, I've been in several programs like that, and I think for the average person getting started out, it can be kind of overwhelming. Wouldn't you agree? So anyways, so the first product that you get here is the funnel builder, and you can get this for as little as $25 a month. So $25 per month, you get this funnel builder right here. And if you have been online for any amount of time, you might have heard about Kartra or ClickFunnels, and these are kind of like the 2 big platforms in this space. And so if you were to go with ClickFunnels, for example, so this is a funnel builder, much like with HBA. The very lowest plan with ClickFunnels would cost you $147 a month, which is way overpriced in my opinion. And with this, you're literally limited to only 20 funnels. Versus here, you only pay $25 a month with this, and you could build as many of these pages as you want. So it's completely unlimited. There's no limit to how many of these you could build together, and you could use this to build really nice looking capture pages, sales pages, bridge pages, all of that good stuff. Everything that you need to market your business online, whether you are an affiliate marketer, network marketer, if you have your own course, if you are a coach, if you even have a physical brick and mortar business, this can benefit you. And you could use this to capture leads and build an email list, which is really the number one asset of any online business. So this is pretty much kind of what the format of the different web pages looks like right here. They even donate a portion of all sales to a charity, Feed My Starving Children, which is pretty cool. So there's that. And then if you want, you could simply, change up the font size. You got all the basic features right here. Font color, font size. They have an AI feature right here. So if you want help coming up with the headline, you could, click on this, click improve, and it will simply come up with one for you. So earn big from home with the fastest and easiest online business. And if you don't like that, you could just come up with even more of them. So click on expand, and yeah, make huge profits from the comfort of your home with effortless and speedy business. And yeah, there's plenty of other examples of this I can pretty much go through, right? But you get the idea. So with this, you have several templates that you could use. If I go into page right here, you have several of these, and this isn't just for HBA itself, but there's several other templates that you could use for if you have your own book that you're giving away. You could use any of these right here. If you are in, let's say, for example, network marketing, you have funnels here that you could use, and you could preview any of these if you want and kind of see what they look like. So, this one, for example, you got a video right here, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so these pages, they're very simple, they're very to the point. They might not have as many features and integrations as a platform like ClickFunnels, but it has pretty much everything that you need to build very nice looking pages online. And they also give you, training with this. So if you want additional step-by-step guidance with how to use this funnel builder, they've got live coaching as well. So yeah, you have plenty of training and resources to get the help that you need and build a funnel that will, help you sell any product online. So that's really useful there. The next product is another thing that every online business needs, and that is traffic and conversion. So with this, this is you could actually get this. So this is $125 a month, and if you want, you could actually get a free trial of this right here. So when you go to the page, which again, this is going to be down below, you click on the button right here, you will see on this page there is a little message right here, and you can get a free 14-day trial to the Traffic and Conversions Academy. So for 14 days, you have access to this 100% for free, and you could decide at the end of the 14 days whether or not you want to keep it. Now, most people end up keeping this product because of how well they nurture your members, and with not just the training that you get, all the methods that you want to learn. So if you want to learn free traffic like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogging, all that is in here. And then they've got the paid methods. And then on top of that, they have additional live coaching 5 days of the week. So this is almost unheard of. Like, they do 11 masterminds every single week. So they do 5 personal development calls in the morning. You could easily tune into the number. You could listen to, personal development right here. You have training about traffic and conversions. And these are on Zoom, so you could just jump on any of these. And they've been doing these since, I want to say 2011, actually. So they've been doing these for quite a while. And they're super valuable. You could ask questions to the owner. So without having to pay, thousands and thousands per month, like with other programs, you literally have this included with not even just the product, but even with the 14-day trial as well. You could literally tune into these as soon as you activate your free trial. And there's also the Monday night marketing mastermind that you could tune into as well. And those are always great to, you can learn from specific members that are doing well with the program. So then the third product right here is Financial Literacy Academy. This product is optional. You don't have to get this, but if you want, it's a $500 one-time product. And this teaches you everything you need to know about how to manage money, how to reduce taxes in your business. So it's helpful advice for the long term if you want to learn more about it. They talk about, house flipping, and about scams to look out for, car flipping, all that type of stuff right there. So, a lot of good information here as well. And if you also want to become an affiliate for this program, what's really great is you earn 80% recurring commissions on all their products. So that is with the 2 monthly recurring products right here, the funnel builder and the traffic and conversions. You have the ability to earn $120 per month per customer that you enroll, which is really great. And so when you think about it, when you do the math, so just 5 referrals into just both of these 2 products alone, and you're at a residual income of $600 per month. And that doesn't even include the additional $400 commissions that you can get with this product right here. So this is something that can really add up quickly, not just quickly, but also in the long term as well. If you're looking for stable, consistent income, this is easily one of the best programs. And in my opinion, this is actually the best affiliate program if you want to earn residual income, because of how well not only how well they take care of their members, the integrity behind it, the product that you get with it, which is something that you're going to need anyway, the low cost, and the high commission percentage. And because of how well they take care of their members, you literally have the ability to, and they have it, right here. So 1 sale per week can literally turn into over $74K per year. And then you can even see this right here. So two sales per week, $150K per year. And So yeah, you really don't need that many sales in order to create a full-time income online. So again, this can add up. And again, if you want residual income, one of the best things to do if you want to walk out of your 9 to 5 and have stability is to start with programs that pay residual income. There's plenty of other ones out there that pay high ticket, which, they're all great. Nothing against the high ticket programs, but with programs like this, if something changed, like for example, if you're doing, TikTok marketing and you are getting, thousands and thousands of clicks per day from TikTok, and you're doing well on that platform, and then all of a sudden your account gets banned, or they change up the algorithm, and then now all of a sudden you're not getting as much traffic. Now you're not getting as many customers in. Well, if you have a program like this that's paying you residually, something like that isn't going to affect you as much, right? So, as long as you're doing that, and you're also building an email list, which is another thing that this program, teaches right here in the premium product, then you're good to go, and you're never going to have to worry about being at the mercy of some social media platform. Because I know, and speaking from experience, TikTok can be annoying at times, right? You post a video and you feel like you're doing everything right, but then they could decide, oh, we didn't like this one trigger word that you said. We didn't like that the fact that you said the word money, so we're going to assume that you're promoting some scam thing, right? So yeah, it's stuff that happens in this space, and so programs like this really help with creating stable income online. So that being said, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to also see the training that I'm putting together with this program, you can go to the link down below, and I'm going to have this down below, as well as the link to check out the HBA funnel builder and the academy altogether. So check that out down below, and I'll see you on the inside. If you have any questions about this, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, give this a thumbs up if you got value here, and take care. See you on the inside.